Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
You said traction off.
Traction off.
Yeah, we are definitely in the trenches of Atlanta right now. Alright, y'all boys, welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see by the title, it's currently 3 a.m. and we are in Atlanta. Finna be a smooth little POV, you feel me? Ain't feel like being in the house, so we was like, fuck it, we just gonna go on a little drive. Ain't really got no destination, we just gonna figure out what we can find. This ain't gonna be the dedicated downtown vid, you feel me? But we gonna go downtown. Make sure y'all boys follow the Instagram, man. Make sure y'all boys subscribe. Appreciate y'all boys for 20K subs. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'll catch y'all boys in the whip.
Put a B on all them bitches. When it come to handguns, had all the switches. Don't run, don't trip, don't fall, nigga. Pop out 2 pipes, play ballin', nigga.
If y'all boys wanna know a smooth little way to make some side cash, listen up. And I mean like really listen, bro. Put both ears on the screen, you feel me? The secret to how I'm able to pay for tires, gas, everything like that daily is free cash. Free cash is basically a way you can play games on your phone and make money. Who wouldn't want to do that, bro? That's like top 2 combos ever, bro. Playing games and making money, it can't get no better than that. All you gotta do is scan the QR code on the screen or click the first link in the description and you'll start off with $10. Who don't want a free $10, bro? I'm trying to tell you. You could be at school, bored, in the back of the class, playing the game while making money, you feel me, while your teacher yelling at you. Or you could be passenger seat on a road trip, you feel me, still making money on your phone. Now, of course, it ain't no get rich quick money, you feel me, but it's good money to pay for things like gas and daily essentials. It might take a little bit of time to build like a huge payout, but you're gonna be on your phone anyways. You might as well make some money while being on it. But go ahead and scan that QR code to get signed up. Like I said, you get a free $10 using my code or my link. And click that first link in the description. And y'all boys start making some bread, man. It's time to lock in for real. We all gotta be in Cats 2027. Underground tune piece. We locked in. lights on these roads. Like, what are we doing? Then I swear, like, the lanes are like fading into one another. I don't know. I see blue lights. You know what that mean, peas.
And we going to chase it.
We don't know how these cops down here play, bro, but we ain't got time to figure it out either. I hate driving next to trucks, bro. It's like top 3 worst driving experiences ever. What are we doing on these roads? Like, what the? Oh shit, we was definitely supposed to get off over there. 12 again, bro. Like, Georgia don't play, bro. I can tell. Where are we? What is going on over there?
12.
There's more cops over there again. Yo, what they got going on at the gas station? Yo, P, let me drop you off there.
Fuck no,
Facts.
See, I would have been. I should have drove.
Don't start that. You should have drove stuff now.
This is like perfect dog and
you feed me. You said traction off.
Traction off.
Chill, bro. Chill. Oh. See, bro, like, I ain't messing with all these curves, bro. We ain't speeding around the curves.
What the fuck is this server?
Like, what are we doing?
12.
Yeah, we are definitely in the trenches of Atlanta right now. What side we on, bro? Dang, Peas, this would have been the perfect road for you to be driving too, not gonna lie. Tired of getting dog, bro, but she got a lot more dogging to do, bro.
Any cars here?
Nah, facts, you gotta be on 10 with every car, bro. We don't know where we at. Minutes from the Mercedes-Benz stadium. Oh yeah, we lit. Tunnel. crazy, bro. Like Charlotte is so similar to this.
It's
like
so fucking similar.
it's so like we have like the same areas. Like you feel me?
Like, bro, same big ass light up building.
You feel me?
Like this is the north end of fucking Atlanta.
You feel me?
What the fuck? These 3 Waymos.
3 self-driving cars.
Futuristic ass city, bro.
Hey, bro, we need to cut up with the Waymos, bro. Run it, Waymo. Hey, we gotta chill, bro. They probably be recording what's going around, sending it to 12, bro. We gotta be careful. Dang, this is the stadium right here.
Yeah, this shit tough.
Like, where are we, bro? Like, what is this road that we're on? Nah, genuinely. Like, bro, even downtown Charlotte, bro, they don't be having police just posted every block, gang. Like, it don't be no cops when we be doing our POVs through there, bro. But here, it's a Thursday night, gang. Like, nothing should be going on to where y'all got cops posted at every block. All right, we need to find somewhere to pull over at, bro. Y'all look on y'all map or something. I'm gonna pull into the gas station. Can we turn left up here?
85.
Yo, why they got security posted, bro? They got 2 security guards. 2 security guards, vest on, locked in, bro. What's going on?
That's locked in. Yes.
I need something to drink. Bro, they got a Stoner's pizza. But all right, y'all boys, man, let's go wrap up today's POV. Make sure y'all boys go follow the Instagram, subscribe, you feel me? Check out my boy TJ channel as well. We drop it consistently, man. Weekly uploads, you feel me? All right, I'll catch y'all boys in the next one.
I'm trying to pop a op, you trying to pop a pill. If I can't